Got my top mechanic here and there. Just fitted that light bar, that roof rack, that light, that light. You can see it. That one. Them two. And these cables that come down and bolt onto here, which prevent the branches and trees smashing the windscreen. So yeah, she's coming along nice. We're going to make some space down in this area here, get a manifold fitted, and we can put a big turbo on it. We can run about 300-400 at 407 psi. Blow the fucking doors off. Now right, Jay?
Yeah, mate. 10 seconds.
That's right, mate. 10 seconds. 10 seconds of running before it goes bang.
What the fuck is that?
You can put that back. That's my toy. That's what I'm loaning in the vehicle. Yeah, we're gonna put some better wheels and tyres on it. I've had a deal with a man. I've got some where the knuckles stick out the side here, like that. These ones, they're a bit, they get a bit bunged up with mud, and then we slide everywhere. So yeah, flick lights on, Jay. Let's have a look now, mate. Woo! Yeah, she's a light. Definitely be able to see where we're going now. Flick them off. Flick them off. So we did have some spotlights in here, which were these. Sat in there like from the back in, but I don't like them. They're a bit dated and they're plasticky. Look. I don't like the yellow neither. So dump them. We've got some 5-inch LEDs, square, that's going in here. We're going to plate that off, fill that bit in, and then what we're going to do is cut the top of the bumper out, put the winch in, dump the number plate, stick it on the bonnet, and we should be good to go.
One more turn, sorry.
We've got some big terra firma snatch ropes, 22 ton, some soft shackles, a winch for the back. We're going to try and put that on at some point. Yeah, don't get in my way. You see me rolling. Take care, everyone.